Yekani ukuthemba isitha. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama. Today sinomuntu owayengabafuni abantu abamnyama. Today sinomuntu owadedicate impilo yakhe to making sure ukuthi uNkulunkulu ubathatha back labantu bakhe. She really hated abantu abamnyama. Once upon a time we had a girl, the true enemy to Omnyama, sizombiza ngoBeck. You see, uBeck grew up etshenwa ukuthi abantu abamnyama are the enemy. uBeck grew up etshenwa ukuthi kumele kwenziwe something to fix the situation yabantu abamnyama ngoba abantu abamnyama abasakontroleki. And so one day uBeck esena 19, she had a plan. Wathi yazini angihambe nge-Africa, especially e-Uganda, etown ebizwa ngeJinja. uBeck finally ubeseneplani ezokwazi ukuthi isize wonke umuntu amaziyo around her, and so she was so excited ukuthi hayibo uye e-Africa kwizwe labantu abamnyama, uye Uganda. She was so happy because le plani anayo is gonna change everyone's life. Wapheka ingubo zakhe, wangena kwitaxi, itaxi yamshiya e-airport, wangena kwi-flight yakhe eyaphi, eya e-Uganda, e-Africa. She was so excited because lento ayoyenza le plani yakhe ave izosebenza, and she truly believes ukuthi lento ayoyenza is good for everyone. Stay with me, angifuni uduke. Understand ukuthi uBeck had absolutely no formal medical training, absolutely no nursing certificate, not even a first aid license. Finally uBeck wafika e-Africa. Finally uBeck sekuyisikhathi sokuthi aqale uplan wakhe. Abanye bazoyibuza ukuthi what is her plan? You see, uBeck ubehlakaniphile. At the age of 19, after traveling to Uganda, she founded a non-profit organization wayibiza nge-Saving His Children. Le organization was meant to deal ney'ngane zabantu abamnyama, iy'ngane ezihluphekayo. I-organization yaBeck, i-Saving His Children, was designed, or mission yabo was to help ukulamba kwey'ngane, especially in the eastern Uganda area. Waye-based kakhulu endaweni ekuthiwa iseJinja ese-Uganda. La khona i-poverty nokulamba kwey'ngane kukwi-high rate kakhulu. And so abantu base-America bambona ukuthi usamncane, and they truly believed in her dream. So they donated imali eningi towards Saving His Children.